concerning as soon as President Dukuda Akason.
But Bibliotech from Honorable Beatrice Asogna. Bibliotech from America. Bibliotech from America issued from Dr. Akem. Dr. Akem, teacher.
Mbambang tutra ambo buendu watet. Mbambang tutra ambo ngala. Miagu te ambo CEO Ndukuda. Ngum lelenda le tala fam fulung tutra waba am fi mo reaction anya nkoyi national president then Mr. Asaba Christopher akatunga andia for nsonga ba ala anya nkololong dontet ngo we won't contest on zonga za kolom fu nsonga ngo agute te bonjanchia ngo buka bonchen ko gojungat ndom foba wela bi le sanga ngomba and then ngo tala go buka ko albin zanjona ba agia ana fu songa elongcham antiba ngo bula bondo santanku abin venjulugu a songa bo bwendu watet elongcham anuza babala sanga ngomba ala ko albin za songa bo bwendu wataba le workers in the needed leadership gi but president bwendu watet ala songa mfie ntugo ambo bwendu watet buka tunza ju ana shurata ndon kunti mbinza na songu anyelen NNR ngu president Ndukuda USA beton yele Dr. Zinken Asong then His Royal Highness Chief Fomenji abe coordinator the men branch in Washington DC then tam binza na songu Buse Center ngu Ndukuda National abin ven organize the branches be might be organizing secretary a way forward alagu keep the national president informed with the various branch executives on what activities are going on and use any jamgi any branch are contribute ongu effect ala amos mbong etebo mienwo egias na mboba CEO Ndukuda amu butegu Ndukuda USA abuga gongunula o Ndukuda Europe abuga gunula oba zangunula da fuba be bypass agi organizing secretary gi motion zajemi besungu and nyigle administration azama group mbabugu mmemi enejem gi bugu nyerengi mbabugu mi. So, but I'm also talking about leadership because abaga na song bob we like people belong the asan go bitu bo so we kong mienwo yi ana song bob we bi le bon dia lerie we like be juice njuo wo ju nga anton chok fi na njuo wo abonta abongu ozele nwo zimbobus na muta wo mbala bongo ndi mbabu tsere mbabu to long danda ba mbambon konte long to gwangu mbutumi ebutumi modiole fubon mi legam betandiole egele zogi abon mi legam bo abon bon kobi sangala nango for him so I coordinate mbon diole we support administration as mentima ngongong don te gonzonzo mbon konte
Dr. Akem USA Bibi Bilomo Dr. Akem ebi kwa Mr. Ben Atambon ebi lomo Mr. Ben Atambon ekwa Mr. NS Incap Yasimba Bureau Chief ebi lomo Mr. NS Incap Bibio ebi bo analyze njeba speecheba ebi gurokte editor in chief Madame Annie Becky abize nsongle again Bibio Binju so Bibio zote amo bio nchem
ba mangasin ba njo tangambo ngambo njolandia Numalangaria, Numajangaria. So, na façon concernant the right of President Dukuda. President Dukuda, mbo zima le kontayi, andon numek son concern a project with Hanambobo, my project with Hanambobo, Baboka realized all my projects, what was a very good thing. Was a nice thing the work I giving project, and we really appreciate them for whom the work I work. But I doubt I got or Zanum Waraga and don't speech and don't write up president somebody. President no on the that me legon that thing. Yeah, we don't know doing among what to worry but can't young angry but Mongwe was a represent in Dukuda. I can't was some and wala there any maju. Again, I can't grab that is not bad, but for me, I can't get them. Nton was a mail. The president who wore I could warn Jimbo Nang a lot. For something, for make a push ye, taffin that imagine Jumat. Mova president, I want a few update of the family on the issue. I don't know about the first man, I feel someone where you won't come to them, we will on the issue. And then, if you will update, we will also for the other for a more project, we will align. There will you what I will. Carry on, we will meet up with those projects before or after this crisis. But that in Kampumbo analyzing concern Asungla President Dukuda or next time any Muamaga way in Donju and must handle the position of a president in any place. I am about the first person, I will react. If you congratulate if you song bon constantly, the song land here along good, but non bon that spirit. Lemlo to a few my position, Jambo. Manda, I mean, bon, the song over and don't content any bon. Yeah, bye bye.
Beki ani agoba anje long do tête. Nangota chabe photo. Nangota mi ngo chuta do tête. Nangota mafomba ngonchem. Yi abomba do tête. Nangota nkogo ibo nganje long. Na sonala ngote mi ngo bega ni kashos kumaja. Yi afia agali ngam song do data song na mi ngo achuta la ndikuda. Mba aliza mchuta nya song mi ngo. Tanjio asambali izakatela la ndo song no bon. Na sente nga fulo gonjem mi mbondo mala ndo song ba bon ta. Me son ko tongan lek we mcham. De gela ka tibinchule me lora alega ndo song bo we la bon. Lor ma la ba bon ta. Nze me ju ogun bon bon. Me son ju ole ban ka liyo. Ko ndo la ba bo lo fulo gela aro jimbo mi ngo am. Ngo wontir di saba onandala. Ola ononji oliyo sak. Nze bo woju monomi kana kon le ju mo ju nchem. Ano ze monomi kana kon le ju ka nchem chem eju. Biko bo ju kon ta le fugo ko fu abon bon ta. Ngo wonchi afu mo wonti mendi saba. Ba bon kon te ndi je nchem kon te ba ju ju kon te mi ngo. Ba le je bon to ande long je ale bon don ju o mo ndo ta la. Bo shata won janga le la bon bon.
Usen jolan gala. Jolan gong du ngotet. Most of NS, Nkap, Chinko, NN Auro. Mfole Foba. If I tak the song is me want to change what that, but Tonglen Dukuda, Alefun Niganti, doing that forum. If I tak the song what Nanzabia, me want to change what that. I won't bong tea. Il long groupe nous tête ça que capter que long nous tête bon capter moi long moi ton le kang bija ni kashos ndo anan chule agung gungti long solo bon wotet gonzo mi mo tu bongat akasen songba akagumun ndu wotet ba lele wundan bango atlet wunja trep olet wo mebo ale gumu ko mungon chaka dokta afi lambe tensa ndong mon chugo mon chen wotet mom ko wan weza mle ambi mbilin zogi le ngal ngwan zogi le gu anten ngon chaka mi dokta ning nguta ngwono mo ko nguta ale gon kwat ko ngwat kwalagi mbon ndo mo kwang kwalagi tiyote ale zang ntungwa munglen ko go afu sab ngon nyokte chutte bi fu sabza ak gamza biya na so bale mi mo chutte ngwat asin jole ngotet ugonzo ugon sombo ngamo azan ko boyasa ngon nyokte piem boale na chutte zafa inzen kwite ugang motengene besong palendi jab ndi atben palendi mitin jab jole asin won jole ngotet gon komanzo miliole bom ofi lam kwala buwo ngong ngotet bu lose kwite mi mo chutte wom to person ku dala nzele lok pan ngotet ugonzo kong te wo bu ngang bongo
ma bibio ke bonju iba a bibio boki bu analyze species president du botat Mr. Asawa Christopher na no so bi no tet ngu abomo fi gatampala buwo de jewa president du kuda abo fu mbo capter to support les longs de tête because et bien de tête bon je wona ngu jema bon pour te comme le capter bon mi mona no sente bien de tête ngu bio pambo mi bio pambo mi mio in support les longs de tête ngu les longs de tête les longs de tête ils so because beaucoup les longs de tête ba les longs de tête manango matu so minang so wongu ene wo bio nang attack bio nang le ngote sa ndung bio je boda wo anatamale bu ke fa kulie bio e jagi mfok na wono sentengala ngo ba afie du permission
sheria wenu mbisa ni ngwanza ma